Pierre Freeman's probiotic skincare facial treatments feature the most natural ingredients. Pierre products are free of parabens, phtalates, PABA, sulfates, PEGs, and are never tested on animals. Daily Moisturizer combats surface dehydration and is lightweight and oil-free. Its GVF, Glide Viscosity Factor, produces just the right amount of slippage. Scientifically formulated with probiotic inulin, lemon, and cucumber to provide daily moisture protection. This gentle formula penetrates the outer layers of skin to assure that skin will stay soft and moist all day long. Safe for all skin types and daily use. After using Pierre cleansers and treatment, finish with Pierre Daily Moisturizer by applying to face and neck. You will feel the difference and be ready to face the day. Pierre skincare is made by professionals for professionals. Esthetician quality products at affordable prices.